So as you may know, a couple weeks ago I got in the Arendal Sound 1723 speakers, and in that unboxing and overview video I said that you can look forward to the full review, of course, but also some demos. But I think to really make these speakers sing, then I need some more power. Enter the Parasound A52 Plus power amplifier. Stick around. Perfect. Hey guys, it's the Villaman here, home theater enthusiast and socially distant tech lover. Now, what I have here is the Parasound A52 Plus power amplifier, which is a part of their Halo line of amplifiers. So let's actually get into the box and see what's inside, no? So that's good, it's actually double boxed. First up we have the 12-volt trigger cable and the power cable. The warranty information as well as the owner's guide. And now for the pièce de résistance. Okay, this is... Oh wow. If you think this is light, then you are mistaken. I should call myself the Ottoman and not the Villaman. Ooh, oh my. You can see the big toroidal transformer under the housing. On the top we have the 5 balanced XLR inputs and then the 5 unbalanced RCA inputs. Then we have the 5 corresponding 5-way binding posts for the speakers. On the top right, the control panel is where we have the input type selection between balanced and unbalanced, and where we can select what kind of trigger we want for the amp to actually turn on, whether it be an audio signal from the receiver, manual, or a 12-volt trigger. And of course the 12-volt trigger inputs. And on the left, we have the audio turn on threshold. So to the left makes it more sensitive, while on the right hand side, it gets less sensitive. Then we have the power switch. On the front we have a light for each of the 5 channels, so it'll light up depending on which channel has a signal, power button, and a high temperature indicator. The A52 Plus is a Class AB power amplifier with a toroidal transformer power supply. It provides 180 watts RMS into all 5 channels driven at 8 ohms and 250 watts per channel in 4 ohms. It provides 220 watts RMS of power into 2 channels driven at 8 ohms and 350 watts RMS at 4 ohms. It has a 100,000 microfarad power supply filter capacitance and has a total harmonic distortion at 0.05% at full power. It comes in at 55 pounds and it's 17¼ inches wide, 6 inches high, and 20 inches deep. It has 5 balanced XLR inputs and 5 unbalanced RCA inputs. So up until today, I've been using the Outlaw Audio Model 5000 amp to power all my speakers. But as I said, since I had these speakers in, I wanted something with a bit more power. So I reached out to the guys at Parasound and they were kind enough to lend me this amplifier. So of course, since I'll be using this amp extensively, then I'll also be doing a full review to let you guys know exactly how it performs. But you should also be able to hear it somewhat in the demo that I'll be doing. So stick around for that. As you saw, the amp is beautiful and is built like a tank. I left links to it in the description if you want to check it out yourself. So the question is, where will I put all this? I also got a rack because reviewing all these audio equipments, it gets pretty tedious to actually take them out and put them back into this little guy right here. So I need something that's a bit more flexible. If it's live, you can check out my rack in the video that's linked up there. But yeah, don't forget to like the video if you liked it and subscribe for more audio video content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this has been your friendly neighborhood Villaman saying, be safe out there. Peace.